Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common problem that arises when working with templated classes in C++. This problem revolves around the assignment operator not behaving as expected in the context of inheritance and templates. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head over why a certain assignment is not working as intended, you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. In the provided code snippet, the issue stems from a deleted assignment operator in the IParameterBase class. By deleting the assignment operator that takes an IParameterBase reference, the compiler is unable to use the custom assignment operator defined in the derived class. Instead, it tries to copy the entire object, leading to unexpected behavior. To fix this, we need to remove the deleted assignment operator and define a new one that takes an IParameterBase reference as an argument. By doing so, we allow the derived class to use the custom assignment operator as intended, resolving the issue of object copying and ensuring that the assignment resolves to the correct type. In summary, by understanding how inheritance, templating, and custom assignment operators interact in C++, we can troubleshoot and resolve issues like unexpected object copying. Remember, a clear understanding of how your classes interact and the implications of template specialization can save you from headaches down the road. And with that, I bid you adieu. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts, maybe even a C++ joke to keep the conversation going.